Hello and welcome to one of your AECC Library and Learning Services video tutorials. In this video, one of our amazing students, Ethan, is going to show you how to use the library self-service machines.
So this is your library. You are always welcome to visit and study here. There are friendly members of staff behind the desk at all times to help you and answer any questions you have. These are the self-service machines. You can use these to borrow library books, return books, or renew books you have at home if you want to keep them for longer. Firstly, we'll show you how to borrow books. To borrow a book, all you need is your student ID. If you press borrow on the screen, it'll then come up with your student ID barcode. Scan that under the bar, place the books you want on top. If that's the title, that's perfect. Press done, and you can either print a receipt or no receipt, which will tell you how long you have the book for. To return a book, it's even simpler. You don't need your student ID for this. You can just come up, place the book on, press return. Make sure it correlates with the book title itself. Press done. Again, it'll ask you for a receipt or not. If, however, you're doing some late night reading, you need to return the book for the next day, there is a return box outside. We'll show you later. The other thing you can do on the self-service machines is renew books. If you have reached your due date and want to keep them for longer, that is if they haven't been reserved by someone else. You can also check your account for any reservations you might have ready waiting for you to collect. So that's it, that's the self-service machines. Before we go, let me show you the returns box. Don't forget to say goodbye to the friend Sam.
Bye, happy day.
This is also another way out of the library. It's just as simple as opening this.
To access more library information and resources, go to the website libguides.aecc.ac.uk. You can also email us at learningservices@aecc.ac.uk. We're also available by phone on 01202 436 306, and you can watch other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel AECC Student and Library Services. You can also follow us on Twitter @AECCLS. And finally, thank you so much for watching.